Hi guys, how you doing? Hope you all are fit and fine. Today in this video you will learn my secret strategy on how I am making money online. So let's get started.
So guys, my strategy is that I make a professional ebook and I publish that ebook into these 9 websites. So guys, you can see that there is a amazing traffic on these websites per month. Just publish your ebook into these websites and you will definitely get many sales. To do this process, I am personally using my two favorite websites. First is Fiverr and second is Digital to Draft. So talk about Fiverr. Fiverr is a big platform for freelancers. So Fiverr provides different services in different categories. So we need an ebook. So our category is book and ebook writing. Don't worry, I will give you the link in the description. When you click the link in the description, you will directly get to this page. Yeah, you will directly get to this page. You can see there are a lot of professional ebook writers. So guys, what you have to do is you just need to choose one of the writer from this page. Okay, so I'm choosing this one. After that, check the instructions of the writer. Okay, after that just click on the continue. You will get to this page. Okay, then click on continue to checkout. After that click on continue with Facebook. After logging in with your Facebook, you have to pay a fee of $5 and service fee of $2, which is $7, and which is not a big amount. So after that submit the requirements and you will get a ebook. When you get a ebook, just go to the second website, which is Draft to Digital. Okay, I will give you the link in the description, don't worry. So Digital to Draft is a website. If you upload your book into this website, they will publish your books into 9 other big platforms. You can see, including Amazon and Apple Books. To upload your ebook into this website, just click on sign up and you will get to this page. Okay, after that fill the information and click on register. After logging in your account, you will get to this page. Okay, to publish your book into 9 other platforms, click on add new book. Fill the information of your book and your book will be published into 9 other platforms shortly.
So this was my strategy on how I convert my $10 into $631. I hope you will like my strategy, and if you have any queries you can ping me on Instagram. I will provide you a link of my Instagram in the description.